80 words per minute shorthand dictation Dawn newspaper paragraph number 6 ready start. Similarly, the offer of a 10% cut in the prices of items purchased at utility stores may not go very far either, given the effect that these stores are in poorer shape in terms of stock and range of goods, and not many people now want to shop there full stop. On the other hand, the provision with the senior citizens will be given priority in utility services. Connection will be widely welcomed. Full stop. The provision for free entry to museum, library, and recreational centers might not have much of an appeal for the senior citizens, though given the limited number and accessibility of these institutions. Full stop. What would certainly have more appreciated if they had been provided for were financial aid have been made in the pension schemes. Full stop. But this would be hardly compensate for the loss of people investing in the national savings scheme have suffered on account of the lowering of the profit rate and imposition of a holding tax of earnings from this source. Full stop. The government should consider launching special tax from saving scheme for senior citizens with higher profit with a reasonable ceiling on each such investment. Full stop. Similarly, the health package which has been promised should be such as to provide some relief to the elderly whose medical problems are quite distanced. Full stop. It is, however, important that the Prime Minister's monitoring and evaluation cell. Full stop. The package is should monitor it is implemented so that it is not misused and the benefit actually go to the aging. Finally, it needs to be pointed out that concession her and package there will not really help the causing of aging whose number is creating in Pakistan. Full stop. There is need to develop greater awareness of their problems and to make provision of addressing these. Full stop. Stop writing.